Hello there, friends. You're watching the Valeur channel. Today I'm going to show you how to accept a request to join a family group on Steam. To do this, I'll start from the main account, go into Settings, Family, and then Family Management. And I'll send, a request. Yeah, a request to be added as a child. All right, let's do it. There we go. Then, from the account where I sent the invite, I'll log in. Yeah, I'll log in here. See? And as you can see, I've got a pending request here. I'll click on it and accept the request. I click confirm, see, and then enter the code we get by email. There you go. And after hitting the confirm button, we're successfully joined. Done. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can shoot me a message on Twitter X. The link's in my channel's description. I'll answer all your questions there because I don't always see, well, all the comments in the comment section. There you have it. That's all. This was Velior with you. Goodbye, everyone.